So I charged the client 50,000 naira to make this 3D logo for him with my smartphone. That is what we mean when we tell you to come learn a digital skill so that you can help your life. So I was able to do this with my smartphone. And as your friend, as your best friend, I decided to come show you how I do this 3D logo for clients and charge them anything I like depending on the strength of the client. Let me show you immediately how I do it. We have to make this 3D design for a music band. We are going to be using two apps here. The first app is Canva, and the next one is a website which is Photopea, or you can as well download the app. Okay, so let's go to Canva first of all. So we're going to be designing a logo for this band group, music band group. Now Canva is a graphics design platform where you can design different things, different graphics. So we have to search for a template. So we have to search logo designs for music band. Let's search and see what it will give us here. So here we'll find it and then we edit it to whichever way we want it. Okay, so let's look for a very simple one. This is one of the logos we did for a client. Okay, so you can see all these things are logo designs you can just edit and give to any client you have for yourself. Okay, I want to make a black and white logo design so that it's going to be simple for us. Just edit maybe one or two things so that you can see for yourself. So I'll just use this. The logo is open now, so let's edit it. I think so. Let's say we are working for a brand that is called Solo Music Band. So I'll call it SMB. Okay, so Solo Music Band. So for the slogan here, we call this other line slogan or tagline. So I'll call it good music. I'll write it good music. Okay, so let's change the font. To change the font, click on it, look at font here, you change the font. So let's choose another font so that you just see how to do it. That's what I'm doing, so that you see how to do it. So let me just use this. Okay, Canva black. Okay, we've done it. Now I'm going to change this background because I want to make a black logo. Okay, a black logo. So let me make this background white, then let me make the text. I'll make the text black. Okay, color, go to color, let's make the text black. Okay, let me make this other one, the tagline, black too. Okay, I made the tagline black too. Okay, then let me just, so let's bring it up a little. Maybe we should increase it a little. Okay, I think it's okay now. Then I'm going to add it something, or do I need to add it any other thing? I don't think so. Let's shift this and bring it to the center. I think it's not at the center right now, so I think we got it. Okay, now we have this. So let me just add it something to just make it look good. I'll just add it something like this. Let me just add it a subheading. I'll just add it something like music. I'll add it training. So we do training. I'll also add it rentals, maybe the rent musical equipment. Okay, so we have this now. So we are going to be working with just this. This is okay for us. Okay, so let me just change this font again to something else. Please pardon. Okay, I like this. Then I'm going to make it red color to have another color. It's not good all of them are black like this, so I'm going to make it a red. So we'll make it a red. Okay, now we have something here now. So this is a logo here. Okay, we have a logo here. If we want to insert a shape, I just want something this simple. If we want to insert a shape, we click on element, and then we choose, go to shapes, see all the shapes, and then maybe we take something like this, and then we add it over here. We'll bring it over here, and we are good to go. Okay, and we are good to go, and we have our logo done. And we have to download this logo now. So let's download it. Okay, click on download. Cool, we have downloaded our logo. You can see it here. We have our logo ready to go. So first of all, before we can make it a 3D, we have to remove the background. So what I do is we are going to be using a website called remove.bg. So that's what we are going to use. We're going to upload the image so we can remove the background. So we click on upload, we select the image, and we're going to wait for it to do the miracle. We select the image and wait for it to do the miracle. So it's removing the background right away. It has removed the background peacefully, so we have to click on download to download it, and we have downloaded the background. So let's go. This is the logo without background. Okay, so we're going to be using any mockup now to do this logo to 3D. Let's go, and we're going to use a website called photopea.com. Can you see there, photopea.com? So we open photopea.com. Then you click on templates. It's going to show you all their templates. Okay, so click on mockup to just show you only the ones for mockup. That's only mockup for the 3D logo. Are you seeing it now? So we have all these templates for 3D logo. So we are going to choose the one we are going to use. We are going to be using any mockup at all that we lay our hands on. I think I'm going to use this very fast, and we click on the image here. So it's uploading the mockup for us. Let's go. It's going to take a little time because it's trying to load up the mockup. Remember, you're using a phone, not a computer. Though sometimes it depends on the RAM of your phone. This phone I'm using, the RAM is just 4 gig. So right now it has loaded the mockup. Now you come to the right hand side. You are going to see this number 3, these layers here. Click on it, then double click on the logo on the mockup here. That when you double click on it, it's going to show you different layers. So now we double click on it, you are going to have this. Then we need to remove this their own, so that our own will be on top of this their template. So this eye icon, just click on it, it's going to blind their own template, and you will have to impute your own. Now you can see it's blind now, so let us bring in our own design. Okay, so we click on file, click on open and place, click on media pick, then select your design. You remove the background. Okay, it's going to load up here. You can see it here is now here. So increase the size a little so that it doesn't come out small. Okay, all right, right now we have resized it to a reasonable size that we would want. Now let's do the magic. So click on file again, click on save smart object. Okay, it's going to update the template and make your image come out in 3D. So let's wait a little. It's doing the magic right away. So let's give it a little time. Once it's done, it's going to write smart object updated. Okay, so it's updated right away. Now the job is already done, so we are waiting for it to render it in 3D. So what we have to do now is to just close the initial work. Once your network is okay, it's going to show you the work after some seconds. But if your network is not okay, it might come out with error. But let's just close the initial work. At the right hand side, the one at the right hand side is your job, it's your 3D, while the other one is the one you're working on. So let's close this and wait for it to show us our job. Okay, so let's wait now for it. Let's wait a little, and we have our logo in 3D. Let us download it and save it so that you see what I mean. So click on file and then click on export as JPG, export as JPEG. So we have our 3D logo done for us. So I'm going to make it the highest quality and then click on save. So let's see our job right now. So you can see we have successfully rendered a 3D logo for a client, and it is ready to go just in few minutes. And I did it, and this I can charge any amount I like. That is why I tell you to learn a skill. So if there is anything you would want me to say about it, if you have any question about this, please ask me in the comment section. And if you want to learn this privately, have a private class with me, you can send me a DM through the link on my bio, and then we can talk about how to get started with it. I'm Solomon Chis from Solo Communications. Now, for a private class, just send me a DM. Okay, if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Let's go. Make sure you follow me for more tips on how to make money online. If there is any question you have to ask me, please do it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you immediately. And make sure you share this video so that you can get more people. And follow me for more tips on how to make money online. To talk to me, click on the link on my bio. I'm Solomon Chicks once again. I sign out.